Hey, it's Jeff, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Today is Saturday, August 6, 2022. I am at Kilo 1732, Brandywine Creek State Park. I was planning to go to another park, actually that's close by to here, but there was some event going on, and the parking was filled in two of the different locations that I could park at, so I decided to come here instead. It's about 81 degrees right now. It's cloudy. There is no chance of it going to rain anytime soon, maybe later tonight. It did rain early this morning and a little bit last night, so we're in the clear. I'm going to try to get on a few different bands, then I'll get his activation completed, and then I'm going to take Alfred for a little walk. So stick around and see what's going to happen. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Is this frequency in use?
Alpha Echo.
What? What you did?
A few moments later.
CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ Parks on the air from Kilo 1732, Brandywine Creek State Park. CQ Parks on the air.
Whiskey 0, Alpha Fox Sugar. Whiskey 5, Delta, Alpha Delta.
Alright, the Whiskey 0 station first, please.
Whiskey 0, Alpha Fox Sugar, you're 58 in Plattsburgh, Missouri, 30 miles north of Kansas City.
Alright, Whiskey 0, Alpha Foxtrot, and what was the last letter?
Sierra on the end.
Okay, Whiskey 0, Alpha Foxtrot Sierra. You're a 5-5 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
1732, is that correct?
Roger, roger.
Okay, thank you for the contact, sir, and I appreciate it. Name here is Jay. What's yours?
Good morning, Jay. Actually, it's a little bit after afternoon here. Name is Jeff, Juliet Echo Foxtrot Foxtrot.
Okay, Jeff, thanks a lot. We'll see you down the loft.
All right, good. Thank you for the contact. Have a good Saturday and 7-3.
7-3.
All right, the other whiskey station?
Whiskey 5, Delta, Alpha Delta.
Whiskey 5, Delta Alpha Delta. Good afternoon. You're a 5-6 here at Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
QSL, you're 5-8 to 9 into north central Texas. Jeff, my name is Ned, Norway Echo Whiskey Tango. Thanks for putting the parks on the air. W5 Delta, Alpha Delta.
All right, have a good Saturday. Thank you for the contact, and 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Whiskey 5, Juliet Echo Foxtrot.
Whiskey 5, Juliet Echo Foxtrot. Jeff, good afternoon. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732.
Fantastic.
Thank you for 5-7. You're 5-9 Texas. Thanks for the activation.
All right, thanks for the contact. Have a good weekend, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Kilo 7, Papa, Yankee, Papa.
Kilo 7 station again.
Kilo 7, Papa, Yankee, Papa.
Kilo 7 Yankee Papa, QSL.
Kilo 7, Papa, PYP.
All right, there was a little bit of noise there, and I got you. Kilo 7 Papa Yankee Papa. You're a 5-5 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
QSL, I'm also going to give you a 5-5 North Idaho.
QSL, a 5-5 from North Idaho. Thank you for the contact. Have a good weekend, 7-3.
7-3.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Lima Bravo 5, Sugar Hotel.
Lima Bravo 5 station again.
Lima Bravo 5, Sierra Hotel.
Lima Bravo 5 Sierra Hotel, QSL.
QSL, you're reporting into Norway today, roger.
Oh my God!
QSL, the 5-8 from Norway, thank you for the DX. You're a 5-6 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
QSL, yeah. You're a 5-8, but it sounds like 5 and 9 bang on. Beautiful quality and perfect signal, over.
QSL, yeah, you're pretty good too. There's a little bit of noise here today, but overall you're doing pretty good. Thank you for the contact from Norway. I think you're my first contact from there. Have a good weekend, 7-3.
Same to you, sir. 7-3, a good weekend.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Kilo 5, Radio Alpha Radio.
Kilo 5, Radio Alpha Radio, QSL.
QSL, 925-959 Arkansas.
QSL, the 5-9 Arkansas. You're a 5-8 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
1732, thank you for the activation. 7-3, and good luck in your TX.
All right, thank you for the contact. Have a good weekend, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Whiskey something 4 station again. Whiskey Papa 4 Papa Zulu Radio, QSL. QSL 1732 is my park, Kilo 1732. You're a 5-5 here to Delaware to that park, Kilo 1732, QSL. All right, thank you for the contact from Puerto Rico. Have a good weekend, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu from Kilo 1732, QRZ.
Whiskey 5, Juliet Delta Sugar.
Whiskey 5, Juliet Delta Sugar, QSL.
QSL, W5, JDS, handle dealing, and
QSL, you're a 5-4 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
QSL, level 5, 3/5, 5/3 on your Central Arkansas. Appreciate you coming back to my call, W5, JDS.
All right, Jimmy, have a good weekend. Thank you for the contact, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
November 1, November Victor Kilo.
November 1, November Victor Kilo. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
1732. You're 5-8 here in Mexico.
QSL, the 5-8 from New Mexico. Thank you for the contact, and have a good weekend, 7-3. 9 contacts on 17 meters, and it just stops. Let's need one more. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ Parks on the air.
November 3, Lima Hotel, Quebec.
November 3, Lima Hotel, Quebec. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
Roger, Jeff. You are 5-5, 5-5 into Arkansas, QSL.
QSL, the 5-5 from Arkansas. Thank you for the contact. Have a good weekend, and 7-3.
7-3s, and I miss going to HRO.
Yeah, I haven't been there for a few weeks, but I guess that's good because I'll just end up spending more money and more money and more money. Maybe one day you'll hit another one, hopefully soon. Have a good weekend, 7-3.
7-3, Jeff. Keep safe. Same 3 LHQ.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. There's a...
November 4, Juliet Echo Romeo Portable.
Juliet Echo Romeo Station again.
November 4, Juliet Echo Romeo. November 4, Juliet Echo Romeo. Portable in Central Florida. Portable in Central Florida. You're 5-5. 5-5.
QSL, the 5-5 from Portable in Central Florida. You're a 5-3 here to Delaware. Kilo 1732, QSL. All right, thank you for the contact. Be safe being portable. Down in Florida, and 7-3.
7-3.
A few minutes later.
Last call for Kilo 1732 on 17 meters. Last call for 1732 on 17 meters. CQ Parks on the air. It's Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Mike Oscar Tango.
Whiskey 2, Mike Oscar Tango, QSL.
Whiskey 0, MOT.
Whiskey 0, Mike Oscar Tango. You're a 5-4. 5-4 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
Roger, also 5454, Southern Arizona.
QS the 5-4 to Southern Arizona. Thank you for the contact. Have a good weekend in 7-3.
73.
Romeo Zulu, CQ Parks on the air.
November Papa 3 Tango.
November Papa 3 Tango, QSL.
Yoso, 57 in Puerto Rico, 5 and 7 in Puerto Rico.
QSL the 5-7 Puerto Rico. You're 5-3 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732.
73, 5-3 in Arizona, thank you, 73.
All right, 73.
Soon after.
All right, all. Thank you very much. I'm going to go QSY to another band. Look for me somewhere on the spotting page. K3 Jersey, 73.
Alpha Echo 0 Bravo Alpha. Alpha Echo 0 Bravo Alpha.
Alpha Echo 0 Bravo Alpha, QSL.
QSL, Jeff, you are 5x9 in Missouri. 5x9 in Missouri. Back to you.
QSL the 5-9 from Missouri. You're a 5-7 here to Delaware, Kilo 1732, QSL.
QSL, thank you, Jeff. Appreciate the contact. Have a good day. AE0BA 73.
All right, thank you for the contact. Have a good weekend in 7-3.
Kilo 5 Oscar Golf Romeo calling CQ Parks on the air. Kilo 5 Oscar Golf Romeo calling CQ Parks on the air. CQ and listening.
Park to Park, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
I heard Charlie Whiskey again. 7-3. Who are that?
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, Park to Park.
Park to Park, Kilo 3.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. You're a 5-5 to Delaware. Kilo 1732, 1732, QSL. QSL 1732, Roger, Roger.
You are 5-3, 2 parts for you. 7299, again 7299, and 7159.
QSL, got them both. Thank you very much for the contact. Good luck with your activation, 7-3.
You enjoy your activation, and thank you for the Park to Park, 73. CQ POTA, this is Whiskey 1 November Papa. Whiskey 1 November Papa, calling CQ POTA, and listening.
Park to Park, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Station ending in Zulu, please.
Park to Park, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, QSL.
Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Thank you for that. You are at booming 5959 into Park Kilo 0986 QSL.
QSL the 5-9 to 0986. You're a 5-6. 5-6 to Delaware. Kilo 1732. 1732 QSL.
Roger. Thank you for Kilo 1732. And thank you so much for activating today. Good luck.
All right. Good luck to you too. 73.
73. This is Whiskey 1 November Papa. Parks on the air. Who is that?
Well, we got on the air, activated on 17 meters, and then jumped to 20, and made a few park-to-parks there. And then I took Alfred here for a little walk. He enjoyed himself. You did? Really? So it started getting a little sunny out. The sun started coming through the clouds, and heated it up a little bit. I got hot. It was on the back of my neck, so yeah, it was hot. Took Alfred for a little walk, got cloudy again, and he's definitely ready to call it a day. If you like this video and this activation, please give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell to learn when new videos will be released. Please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this activation or this video, or if you have any other comments to say. Thanks for watching. 73. Pug butt.